G'day. So we have stopped at an outer Melbourne suburb to look at a nature strip today. This grass nature strip is probably majority of Kikuyu grass, as well as heaps of weeds and other cooches, maybe a little bit of cooch in there, but probably majority Kikuyu. It has just been mown, so it looks nice and green, and if you sort of look up there, it looks nice and lush and it looks pretty cool. But if we pan over this way, you can see the other part of the nature strip that hasn't been mown, and in there you can see the weeds starting to come up. There's a bit of ryegrass there. The tall thin ones are ryegrass and Kikuyu, but it's mainly weeds actually. So this nature strip is exactly what that one looks like, but it just shows you if you don't look after your lawn, you are going to get a lot of weeds coming up. But if you mow it regularly, it can look actually quite good. So I think the answer here is probably if you used a bit of weed killer, you'd get rid of a lot of those weeds, and the Kikuyu would come through a lot better. It's probably a better solution there. But just an example how if you don't look after your grass, or you do mow it, it can look really good.